Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the 45th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. So I welcome all of you to join this live session. So I'm going to wait for you for another 4 minutes and then I'll start the session, guys. So I'm waiting for all of you to join the live session and I request all of you to join the live session. And I have already posted the link in the community post as well as in my Instagram also as a Instagram post. And those who are not aware of this one, let me send this link to LinkedIn as well. Just 1 second, guys. So I can see the audience is joining now. Thank you for joining the live session, guys, and I welcome all of you to this 45th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. And before making few announcements and all, that there are some announcements which I need to tell you that what all those announcements. For a quick announcement, and then I'll start taking your questions, guys. Whether it's Kiran or Archana or again Kiran, the same question and all. Okay, so definitely I'm going to take your questions, guys, and also I'm going to talk about the scope of other roles which is emerging like anything. Okay, and the package is also like anything. Okay, and mostly my candidates are into that area only. I'm pushing them into the that area so that they can get maximum benefit out of it. Okay, fine. Yeah, so I can see another 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to wait because yeah, I'm waiting for everyone to join this call, and then I am good to start the session, right? Okay, and guys, also confirm me whether you are able to see my screen or not. Okay, fine. So yeah, so I can see now there is a good amount of audience is joining now. So guys, you can shoot your question, you can ask your queries related to your career, related to the course, the upcoming classes, the ongoing classes, right? Right. So you can ask your question. My screen is visual. No, I'm not sharing anything, Archana, as of now. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, so again, a very warm welcome to all of you guys to this live session. Now we are 9:04. So first thing first, guys. Uh, and guys, please make sure you should maintain the decorum of this live session. Okay, I respect each and every individual. Correct. So yes, please maintain the decorum of this live session, right? So 1 second, guys, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Okay, guys, I'll take your question one by one. I'm this is my promise. Okay, and you know already I'm very authentic person and a data oriented person. Until unless I don't have a data, I'm not going to tell anything in front of you, right? So I'm not like others who just for saying their. And also one good thing, are you able to see something in my right side? Are you able to see something in my right side? Yes. What is this, guys? So just to tell you that uh, if I am talking, so I am talking and I am sitting at a very uh, responsible position, and then only I am talking here, right? So this is basically a certificate of my organization. Okay, so whatever I am doing, so even you guys can find out my company also. I am the director of that company, that Abrosh Technology Services. Okay, and this is why I said that going forward I am going to provide the internship to the freshers. Okay, so this is also one part of announcement. So this is just a certificate which proves that as per Ministry of Common Affairs. Okay, even you guys can go and search out my company name. Okay, I'm just mentioning my company name over here, Abrosh Technology Services. Okay, and the website, I think most of you are already aware of my website. So there are people who simply talk, okay, but I don't talk, I give data, okay, with proof. And that is how from day one, might be my way of explanation is might be looking harsh for someone, but guys, I'm a very straightforward person and true to my things and all. Okay, so I make sure that I should provide the data which is 100% authentic and genuine. Okay, fine. And this is my website, guys. All of you are aware of this website. Okay, and those who wanted to know the upcoming courses and all, and the ongoing live online classes and all, right? So that is there. Okay, so fine, guys. So I can see you guys have asked a good amount of questions over here, right? But the first thing, guys, let me share my screen and let me tell you quickly these things. Okay, just confirm someone that you are able to see my screen. Can anybody confirm me that whether they are able to see my screen? Okay, thank you. So, guys, just see, I'll not take much time. Time is money, okay? And I respect every individual and time also, okay? So, you see here, so when you visit this abhishekroshan.com, even the logo, it's going to be same. And here you are able to see my company name also. I am a incorporate, I am a LLP also, okay? And I am the director of Abrosh Technology Services, right? It's my own company, and even you can find out this company in Ministry of Common Affairs also. If you wanted to know, then I can redirect you. First, let me show you MCA. Okay, Yeah, so guys, you can see here, it's Abroad Technology Services LLP, and it's my company. It's Bangalore-based company only. Okay, and if you wanted to see more about, right, so you can go through this one. VXJH JG. Okay, and the reason also why I'm showing all these things to you guys, that you can understand Avros Technology Services, it's ROC. Abhishek Roshan at the rate of yahoo.com. This is my address and all. It's completely legitimate, completely authentic. It's not like others who will simply sell their courses without any data. They are just making, that's what. So I said from day one only, I'm a very authentic person with 100%. You can see who is the director and all. Okay, from here you can identify and all. Okay, so the point here is that those who are looking for internship and all, they can reach out to me. And anyways, okay, now the second thing I need to tell you, first let me take you to the courses, guys. See, there are two upcoming classes, live online classes. The last session also I have made it very clear to all of you that in this website you guys are only going to get the live online classes, which is more effective and more interactive and more result oriented for most of my candidates. And they are also getting good packages, and they are getting placed also. Okay, and even you can go through those candidates, and they are getting good packages and all. So first thing first is that 30 days of AWS IT corporate boot camp. This is going to start from 12th of May 2025, live classes. Okay, and the second means my batch 4, basically still my batch 2 and batch 3 is going on. So batch 2 is going to supposed to be finished by July only. If it will be finished early, then I'll start this batch early, not in July, it's going to be June only. Okay, but the exact timeline, it's going to be July only. So because I said very clearly, 100 plus days of IT corporate bootcamp, where I am taking each and everything, whether Linux or shell scripting, AWS, your complete DevOps automation tool, monitoring tool, and more than four migration projects and all. Right, in each and every topic, means in each and every skill set, I am giving you the migration projects and the real time projects and all. But yes, that is what I can say. So if this well batch is going to finish, so batch 4 is going to start. Which batch? Means the batch which is still running from 27th of January, and it will be finished by July only. And this is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. So once this batch, ongoing batch, is going to finish, the batch 4 is going to start. Okay, and there is a morning batch, batch 3, which is already started on 17th of March. So this will take time, guys. Okay, so once this batch will be finished, so batch 5 is going to start, and their timing is going to be mostly 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning. So one morning batch, one evening batch is going on. But as per the request from most of you, that you wanted to do the only if you wanted to go for the AWS classes and all, so for them I am already published this live online classes, guys. But the trainer is Karthik will be there. Okay, and the content, it's going to be same, it's my content only, but the trainer, it's going to be different. Same way, there are requests are coming, sir, please only do the DevOps. We only wanted to do the DevOps classes, because I got request not only from LinkedIn, but also from uh, the YouTube comments, also from the Instagram, guys, from the different social media platform, right, even through the mail also, that please start the DevOps classes separately. So for them also, there is a good news, guys. Soon, mostly in this week only, you are going to see another course, only 30 days of AWS IT corporate boot camp. Only 30 days of only DevOps IT corporate boot camp. Okay, so in that one only I am going to cover, means obviously for me it's going to be very difficult to take those classes. So there will be a trainer. Okay, he's highly experienced guy, and uh, he has been doing this from last 9 to 10 years, guys. Okay, so I am bringing that guy, and I am collaborating with that person. Okay, and he's going to take the especially classes for the DevOps. Okay, and especially one more thing, the content, it's going to be my content only, because of I am already busy with multiple batches, guys, right? And you all know that I have an active job also. Okay, so for that, this is why I'm bringing other resources into my squad. That is what, so make sure that you guys should get the benefit. Okay, that is what the end goal, the aim is there. Okay, so soon you are going to see that course basically over here. So please visit this abhishekroshan.com. Again, I have already pasted the link in the comment. Okay, you guys can go through this. Again, I'm going to paste this link over here, right? So please go through this one and just visit. Okay, just see whenever that course is going to, or that live online classes. It's not a course. Okay, so it's a live online classes, it's a live corporate boot camp. Okay, so I have stopped giving recorded videos, and if you are looking for recorded videos, so you have to look in my channel only. Okay, so in my channel only recorded videos you are going to get. And most of the videos you are going to get in my channel only as a recorded videos. And if you wanted to access the complete video, then you have to join the membership of my channel, guys. So that is what I have differentiate things very simple and in an easy manner. So in my website you are only going to get the live online classes, like the ongoing classes plus the upcoming classes. Okay, so you have to visit this website. And those who are looking for internship, as I said, because that requests were also coming, where freshers, I said freshers, where we know almost like lakhs of freshers are passing out every year. So for what we are doing for them. Okay, so for them only I have going with this internship program. But before giving internship to anyone, you should be 100% authentic. Okay, it's not like that simply if I'll say I'll give you internship. No, I am the owner, I am taking the responsibility to give you the internship. So I am already registered, I am an incorporation. Okay, and I'm a LLP also. So you can reach out to me. And for them who is immediately need, those freshers who need internship and all, they can reach out to me by abhishek88roshan at the rate of gmail.com, right? So you can send me your query, like, right? And also soon you are going to see each and everything in this website only, related to internship only. Because in the back end my team is working on to make sure that particular the internship program is going to be published in this page only. So it won't be difficult, so you no need to write a mail also, everything will be here only. All the terms and condition, all the policies and all, everything you guys are going to get everything here only. And even you can visit any of this course, guys, whether this course which is going to start first, that is 30 days of AWS IT corporate boot camp, what you are going to get in this course, everything is very crystal clear over here. Whatever has been promised, 100% it's going to be fulfilled, right? Without data, I'm not mentioning anything over here. And terms and condition, please read the terms and condition very clearly, right? And at the here also you can see, even you can check out these candidates, they have been placed, they have been already placed with a good package. Okay, and under my guidance only. Okay, under my mentorship only. And even you can find out these candidates in LinkedIn as well. Okay, so this is all about a quick recap, guys, and the announcements I made it. And I hope things are clear for you, that you should not get confused with the channel membership or with my website. Okay, fine. So let me take the question one by one, guys. Okay, quickly. So first of all, thank you for joining this live session, guys. Archana, sir, how to calculate the memory percentage using free command for Linux? Okay, so Chitta, again, sorry, Archana, right? So for these and all, I said this session is mostly I have dedicated to the career counseling, right, where you can ask the genuine question and genuine query. And if you have something related to the technical stuff, then you have to join my online classes. So what is the point of doing the live online classes, right, where you can see even I am ready to give each and every support, that is 12 into 5, right? So I request you to please join my live online classes, so you will get your most of the answer. Okay, so answer for this one. Okay, uh, Yes, Kiran. For cyber security engineers or DevOps engineer, which one have more scope in IT industry? Very good question, Kiran. Let me give you the answer for this one. The guy which you have seen just now, Bhargav. Okay, he has been selected for GoDaddy. Okay, and he got a package of 40 lakhs. But you guys will not believe what experience he was having. He was only having 3.3 years of experience. But if I can show you his resume, because see, I respect every individual, so I cannot show you his even I have his offer letter also with me. Okay, that sort of a trust candidate are having with me, so you can understand. Okay, and I totally respect everybody confidential things. Okay, so I cannot present in front of you guys, but I can tell you very honestly, that guy is more towards very strong in the field of I would say networking part. Answer to your Kiran. Okay, and yes, compared to DevOps engineer, see, normally what we are doing is basically everybody is talking about this buzzword DevOps, right? And but you are not trying to realize what is the need of the market as of now. Correct. Try to understand what is the need of market when you are trying to touch something where you need expertise from all the areas. Okay, so things will become very difficult. So Kiran, I am not sure how many years of experience you have. Now listen to me. If you are looking for a role or for a job, okay, a DevOps engineer, right? If you are already a experienced professional, then it is good for you, again I am telling you. But at the same time, you should be ready with all sort of roles and responsibility, because DevOps roles and responsibility, again I am going to show you. Now I am going to show you especially for you. Okay, just see here and understand this one, guys. Okay. Okay, now let me know, guys, if you are able to see my screen again. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Can somebody confirm me? Okay, now see this one. So those who are telling that what is DevOps and all, I said very clearly, if you are going, DevOps is a way of working, it's a methodology. Okay, soon I am going to publish few videos also in my channel where you guys will understand the better. Okay, and I'm not telling what others are doing, but I can guide you in the right direction, guys. That is what my aim. So you can understand from the relevant skill sets from here, where I am already having 13 plus or 14 years of experience into this IT industry, and I'm already incorporated a company. Okay, and I have seen everything from very scratch. Okay, so if you are looking for yourself as a DevOps engineer, if you are having 5+ years of experience, so you should be ready of all these skill sets. Okay, so it doesn't matter, okay, whether you know one thing. So see, whether you, the problem as a DevOps engineer, I will say it's a problem only. Okay, because when you are trying to get into a DevOps engineer, they wanted to know you should know Git and GitHub, or they wanted to know you should know Jenkins or Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions. Okay, now they wanted to know that you should know some kind of a containerization. You also should know the orchestration tool, that is your Kubernetes. You should be efficient in the Ansible. Stackstorm is basically a specific to the organization only. It is quite simple to your Ansible. HPSA is, just think of it, how much expertise I already got within these 14+ years, and then only I am able to lead people or team of 10 as an associate manager, where the DevOps engineers are and dev engineers were also there, because you need all sort of expertise, right? So they will also expect you that you should be very excellent in the core, like your Linux or any of the operating system, and your shell scripting also, right? You should be efficient in most of the monitoring tool. That is what their expectation. Database also will be coming into the picture. cloud is also coming into the picture, Terraform is also coming into the picture, Apache Tomcat, the application servers are also coming into the picture. So these are the minimum skill sets I am telling you as a DevOps engineer you need to be. Okay, and what all roles is going to be, just see what kind of a work you need to do. Maintain and set up, this is a specific application. Maintain and set up the pipeline means either you will be automating the pipeline in Jenkins, or you will be doing in the GitHub actions, or you will be doing in your Azure DevOps pipeline, but you have to automate the pipeline. Okay, so most of the projects I can challenge, nobody can challenge me in this one, guys. Most of the project as of now it is coming, that is migration project. 95% of the projects are migration projects, where we are migrating from the on premises to the cloud, either it's a AWS cloud, Azure cloud, or a GCP cloud, right? So either they were using GKE, Google Kubernetes engine, or they are using AKS also. Okay, but that is there, guys, very honestly I'm telling you. So you have to maintain the, you have to set up the pipeline in that case, right? You don't know what sort of work you should be working on, some incident, because at the same time the on premises application also has to be taken care by the DevOps engineer. Tell me if I'm wrong, guys. Okay, and that will be in the form of incidents and all. So you should know how a production support engineer work, how a application support engineer work, right? So you should know the, because you have to take care of each and everything. Now you have to do the monitoring stuff also, so you should know log monitoring tools, you should metrics monitoring tool. So just think of how versatile this role is. You should be also working on the vulnerability remediation of your code. You should be also doing the patching also activity, right? You should be establishing or building the Jenkins or Maven pipeline and all, right? So this is just see how versatile or diverse this role is. My point is not just here to tell you that how difficult DevOps role is. No, the problem here is we are not ready to understand. Please understand. Okay, if you want, why you wanted to rush towards something where you have to do each and everything, or you should be doing something where you will be master of one, jack of all. So please make sure that just go step by step, guys. When you are seeing something from outside, it's look very good, I understand, right? A Burj Khalifa, you know, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building of the world, right? But you know it is something 800 plus feet or something, it is there, right? But you are not ready to learn, you are not ready to listen that how much depth it is, correct? So to make that load of 5 lakh ton, where you are, who is going to bear that 5 lakh ton load? It's your base, it's your foundation, right? Correct. So your foundation is basically your Linux, your shell scripting, your database, and your cloud. And what you are seeing, a beautiful building over in front of that one, okay, that is your DevOps. So tools are like that only. Today one tool, tomorrow, see, Jenkins were there, right? Now Jenkins is going to deprecate 100%, I can challenge on that part. But operating system you cannot deprecate, only the version is going to be changed. Are you going to deprecate the database? No, right? You cannot deprecate the database, right? But these tools can be deprecated according to requirement, because those has to be installed on top of your Linux operating system. And automation, by default you have to do the automation. If you already know your Linux very well, okay, so you can automate anything, guys, and that is what that candidate has been done. My whoever I am mentoring, basically I am telling them that, see, it's not mandatory that you should learn each and everything. And even we don't hire those candidates. Even if I have to interview, like for my company only, if I have to take two positions, two resources, so I am going to interview 300 candidates. I know out of those 300 candidates only two or three is going to get selected. It's not because they know each and everything. Being a evaluator at sitting at 14 years of experience, I can tell you very honestly that the person who is answering, he should be answer with 100% confidence. If he is a that should be there, guys. Okay, and we also choose those candidates. It's not mandatory that he should know each and everything, right? The thing is that if I am asking him a find command also, so he should be able to tell me left, right, front, back, each and everything related to find command. So selection is based on your confidence. Selection is not based on that how much you know. Whatever you know, you should be 100% confident, right? And you have to make sure how many of you have very strong with your base. I have seen guys very serious. So we always look towards which is look very good from outside, but we never try to find out that to make that 5 lakh ton building stand, there is a 50 feet depth is there, right? Correct. So please understand this thing. You have to make sure that if your Linux and shell scripting and your database and your cloud, even I am telling you that guy doesn't know about the cloud also. So that is what the answer to this question. Very honestly, this question, right, Kiran, again I'm coming to this one. I have told you about DevOps. Now the cyber security, right? And you guys should understand the world is investing towards more towards in the cloud, because everything is moving towards cloud. And when you are going to talk about the cloud, you have to talk about the Linux server, you have to talk about the shell scripting or any kind of automation scripting, right? And you have to talk about the database. And in that case, why cyber security is becoming more uh, prominent in this case, guys, the reason behind that one, because we need to make sure how we are going to safeguard our applications, right? So that guy, at the same time, one more thing I just wanted to reveal in front of you guys, that see, I don't know how many of you know about the hardening or not. Okay, let me show you one thing. Okay, then you will understand. This will give a 100% answer, and this I am teaching my candidates in Linux. It's not just Linux is not just a command, guys. I am telling them how to secure your server also. Nobody is going to teach this thing. Just see this one. Okay, especially for those who just wanted to know what exactly. Okay, just see this one. Are you able to see this one, guys? Can somebody confirm me? Are you able to see this one? Okay. Now, first thing, understand why I'm going to show you this thing. That because of that question only, and these things I don't tell, because everything I cannot reveal in front of publicly, right? So in live classes I do lot of stuff, guys. Okay, and this is that reason my candidates, they are getting 100% placed, and they are getting good package like anything under my mentorship and guidance, because I've been already done those things, right? Correct. And I have given you the proof also. I am not like others. Okay, if I don't have proof, I'm not going to talk in front of you. Okay, very honestly, straightforward person. Okay, so understand one thing, that every company invests a heavy amount of money into their compliance. What do you mean by a compliance? See, so just try to understand that everything has to go through a auditing. For example, if I am telling you that a banking system, okay, a banking system, there will be a lakhs of transactions will be there, or millions of transactions will be, or the transactions will be in billions, right? Correct. So if you are not going to make sure that what sort of a transaction is happening, where it is happening, right? So there should be a governing body, right, who is going to make sure that if they have to do the auditing of that bank, right? So everything there, every data is very clear, right? Where has been those transactions that done, for the security reasons, right? So same way in a IT basically, right? IT companies has to go through a auditing. What is their auditing? So they have to make sure their server should be compliant, right? So those servers should be compliant. How? Because for the server level, you have to do some kind of a hardening. That also comes under your cyber security. Even for Linux engineers, I am teaching all these things because hardening is very, very important, guys, to make sure that your server is 100% secure. Okay, your hardened template will be there, and that hardened template is basically based on these things, this CIS benchmark. Let me know if you guys are able to see this one, right? See, this is a benchmark. Normally all Red Hat servers, okay, there is a CIS benchmark is there. Okay, so in this CIS benchmark, guys, like for example, if I am telling you, if it is related to user management, if it is related to your process management, if it is related to your software package management, or if it is related to your file system and all. For example, if you are going with your file system, so what is recommended, okay, for a file system, what is recommended, what is already configured for your server, right? And what is the remediation for that one? Company invest a heavy amount of money in this thing. These are also, we are calling it as a system integration engineers or system integration specialist who are doing this kind of a thing. Have you guys heard of this role, system integration engineer or system integration specialist? We always rush towards something where how many freshers are getting a DevOps role, a DevOps engineer role, or DevOps job. But this is, just think of it, if this guy is only mentioning these things because they wanted to know, it's not only Linux is just a command, guys. Configuration has been involved, troubleshooting has been involved. So I am teaching all those things to, and then only you should be able to work as a DevOps engineer. But there are areas, guys, which you need to start focusing on, where there is a good package paid by the company, but they are not getting resources because all of us are rushing toward DevOps. But anyways, that is not, there is nothing wrong with that one. But I am against those people who are who directly pushing my youth, my people. Okay, I take the ownership if I am telling something. Okay, they should not misguide. Okay, you should not misguide. You should know from where you are coming. From day one, you are not started speaking some words. First you need to learn the alphabets, right? Same way, guys, there also, if you don't know Linux with all its troubleshooting, with all its configuration, with all its security, okay, at the same time the shell scripting, and you should know about the networking, you should know about the cloud also for infrastructure knowledge, right? So I, in straightforward answer to you, Kiran, because why I have explained everything, this my answer will clear most of you guys doubts. This is why I give more explanatory kind of a thing, right? More explanations. I will clear everything at once, right? So yes, compared to DevOps engineer, cyber security is more prominent. But again, in cyber security, you should have very strong knowledge of Linux and shell scripting and your networking. Okay, networking means your cloud knowledge will be there. Okay, that should be there, right? So I hope this is clear for you, Kiran. Let me quickly, because we are already right 9:40. So yeah, so very good evening, DK. Very good evening. Okay, Muhammad Umair from Chennai. Archana, sorry, fine guys. Pratik sir, being a TSC, I want to switch it to DevOps. What must be the roadmap? Just now I have given your answer. Okay, this is that reason I have seen all those. I summarize things very fastly, guys. Okay, so I have seen your question. This is fine. Your answer is also in the same answer what I have given to Kiran. Okay. Uh, okay. So I have given the company. You guys can check out. And those who wanted to start enrolling in the batches, the upcoming batches. Okay. please visit my website. You can visit there, and if you wanted to go for the recording, you can join my channel membership. There will be video not published, but I am going to publish those videos also. Okay, fine. So fine guys, Krishan Veer Chaudhary sir, please guide me what I do after Linux. Okay, very good question, Krishan. So straightforward, I would say you should look after automation. Okay, because if you have already done with the Linux, so your next immediate step will be you should know one of the scripting language. Okay, there is a light fluctuation is going on, guys. My apologies, I don't have a control on this one. Yeah, so very straightforward, you should have very strong knowledge. So now if you know your operating system, you already are good. You know, if you already know about the troubleshooting, all the configuration related to Linux, then you should start moving towards the shell scripting. So there is something called Linux automation engineer, are paying very good. If you are good in Linux and shell scripting, then anybody can hire you in their project. That is what the basic requirement. Okay, so again, so for you the next immediate thing is you should make yourself very strong in the shell scripting. If you are going with any of this, by default with Linux, bash shell will be coming in Red Hat. Okay, maybe it is other shell, but in most of the distribution of Linux you are going to get bash only. Okay, so that you are going to get. Okay, that is your first thing, and then immediately you should start gathering towards knowledge towards cloud as well. Only these two things, you should not look after anything. I'm telling you, right? $500 billion investment already made in the cloud. Okay, so if you are already good in Linux and shell scripting and in cloud, okay, you are at sitting at a good position. Okay, this is the answer for you, Krishan. Okay, and let's move on to Devendra sir. Make video on satellite server. Yes, 100%. This I am already explaining in my live online classes, how we are doing the patching and all, how to set up a yum server, right? And all those things I am already explaining in my live classes. For that you guys have to join the live online classes. But for my channel also, there are so many upcoming videos are coming soon. Okay, they are in pipeline and I'll start publishing. And at the same time, I request all of you guys to please support my channel. A person who is, see, I know audience is God. Okay, right? And I totally respect everyone, correct? But at the same time, I need your support, guys. I'm putting my each and every effort for you guys, so that the whatever it is there within those 14 years, I'm going to share. I want to share each and everything with you guys. Okay, right? And there is nothing hidden. Okay, there will be nothing hidden, everything will be in front of you, right? Yeah, so I hope I'm able to answer your question, Devendra. Shashikant Mishra sir, I'm working as a server engineer and now I want to start Linux Red Hat. Please help me, sir. I am from, so I can help you in this one, Sasikant. You can join my batches. Okay. See, I'm not taking a separate batch of Linux. Okay, because see, normally why I take that 100 plus IT corporate bootcamp, because there is a mixed sort of audience. Somebody is looking for they only wanted to do the DevOps, they only wanted to do the DevOps and cloud. Somebody only wanted to do the Linux and shell scripting. So this is why I have consolidated that course. Okay, and I have made it very clear that if you know Linux, because I have to see how much knowledge, even candidate who are having 15 plus years of experience, once they are going through my Linux classes, they said, Abhishek, we have been never seen this kind of a things. Why? Because till now people have been teaching. Okay, teachers have been teaching, but now a person who is from this IT industry, he is teaching what IT industry is all about, how the production environment works, what we do in production environment. So my course is purely based on production environment, right? I must tell you that. So what is, and the reason also why those guys are not able to tell you, because they are afraid, okay, that if they are going to tell something from the production environment to the audience, then, right, you can understand, so their job will be at stake. But I am not scared of anything. If I have to help you, then I am going to help you, and I have to tell you the truth, right? how we work in production environment. I have to make a course according to that only, right? Then only it is more prominent, then only it is more feasible for you, correct? And that is what I'm doing, Sasikant. Okay, so for you, if you have to join, then you have to join my 100 plus IT corporate bootcamp upcoming batches. Okay, the ongoing batches, I think in one batches Linux and shell scripting is already finished. Okay, but in batch 3 it's Linux is going on, but most of the things, it's my like next 10 days or 15 days it's going to be finished. Okay, so you have to join a new batch for that one. Okay, that's what I can say you, uh, right? And again, sir, make a video. I think I have already given the answer, sir. Mujhe Linux seekhna hai. Simple answer, simple life, I think. Okay, so you have to join my 100 plus IT corporate bootcamp batch 4. That is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's going to start in July, but if my batch 2 is going to finish early, so I'll be starting in June only. Okay, so that's what I can say you. Please go ahead and join that batch. And yes, whatever the things has been promised, everything is going to fulfill. Okay, so Archana sir, please provide your email ID, sir. Okay, Archana, I have already provided my email ID, abhishek88 roshan at the rate of gmail.com. You can see this one. Prashant sir, I have 3.5 years of experience as an executive hub operation non-tech role. Can I show this experience as a cloud engineer operation experience after having hands-on date course? Please suggest. Yes, but you have to know. See, if you are justifying, that's what I said, right? So even if you go to my courses, okay, there also I have mentioned that if you wanted to show yourself 3.5 years of experience as a cloud engineer, so I am going to prepare, my team is going to prepare the resume for you. That's what, whatever it is promised, but you have to know that how a 3.5 years of experience guy work in a production environment as a cloud engineer. For that you have to go through the courses, and you can join that courses from 12th of May. Okay, you can make the registration over there. You have seen already 30 days of AWS corporate bootcamp, Prashant, for you. And then as it is mentioned, once you will be part of the community, WhatsApp community group, right, will be start giving you the support also, and will be prepare the resume once the course will be finished, and even we are going to take your mock interview also, correct? So Jitendra Sonwa, sir, as a field service engineer, can I have a chance of AWS and a DevOps engineer? Yes, 100%. See, it's not a matter that nobody. I said everybody can become, okay, but I need to see how many years of see. For straightforward, I am telling you, freshers DevOps engineer is not there. Straightforward answer. For people who are already having 5 years of experience, 3 years of experience, or 4 years of experience, first they have to go through my courses. Okay, and according to that I need to, or see, I need to see that where you are standing as of now. I need to analyze, right? If a doctor has to give some prescription, do you think that doctor by listening only to you he's going to prescribe? Until unless he'll do some tests, right? Correct, then only he's going to prescribe, right? That is the correct way, so that he has data with him, and according to that he can suggest you, right? True. So that is what I am telling guys here. So for that you have to connect with me. Just send me a mail, guys, those who have doubts that whether they will become this or that or not. I'll try to reach out to you over a call. Okay, if possible I'll try to reach out to you. Just send me your number. Okay, I'll call you. Okay, so yes, can I get a front end internship? Yes. So soon, guys, it's not only I am restricting. I said if you go and see my channel profile, so I am going to help each and every individual. Okay, even the plans are there, but again I am telling you, until unless if I don't have a data, so I am not going to tell anything in front of you. Okay, but answer to you for your question, M. Okay, your name is showing M. So yes, you are going to get the internship. So please visit my website, or even you can mail me also, abhishek88 roshan at the rate of gmail.com, which I have already mentioned. And those who are looking for internship, they can immediately, if they are looking for internship, okay, they can mail me to this one. Okay, until unless the page will be live, so mostly in 1 or 2 days the page is going to be live. Okay, Mr. PK, sir, I have 3 years of experience in Linux and I want to shift. Can you please suggest me a good path? Is AWS DevOps good path? Yes, AWS DevOps is a good path. Okay, but you have to go through a path only first, right? So first you need to make sure that you should know each and everything in Linux. I'm not sure how much knowledge you have in Linux or not. Okay, the candidate who have already secured 40 lakhs of package or three offers, I have their offer with me. Okay, so for those guys, they were also know the AWS, but when they connected with me, okay, then I asked some questions. So it's not only if you said that you know already Linux. Okay, so in Linux there are so many things, guys. Okay, so whether these 3 years you will be able to justify Linux or not, right? If you are able to justify Linux, okay, so I can give you a green signal. You can go for the automation, that is shell scripting. You can automate your environment, then you can pitch in into the DevOps, then the cloud will be there, any cloud you can take it, and then you should start looking for your DevOps. Just now the same answer I have given to Kiran, I think it's applicable for you also, Mr. PK. Okay, so Bhavani sir, which certificate is good for fresher to get a job as DevOps in just now Bhavani, you are doing the same thing. I am very honestly, I'm telling you, being a fresher, I don't want to demotivate or those, but my experience is very straightforward. I have given you, I've shown you that resume also, right? What sort of a skill sets we are looking for a dev. You only tell me out of how many. Just please go and search, guys. Every year, just go and search. Okay, I think it's 1 million. Can somebody tell me how many engineers have been passed out every year in India? Any idea, Bhavani? Okay. So if you have no idea, guys, this is why I am asking you. So we ask question. I know Bhavani, you are not wrong, because it's because of whatever people has been taught to you. You are, see, you know, 2 millions, 1.5 millions, and you just find out how many of them are becoming DevOps engineer by doing the certification. I can challenge you, even you are not going to get 0.001%. But how many of them are becoming as a application support or a production support when they have started their career from step by step, right? It's all about misguiding, it's all about misguiding our youth. So again, I am telling you, if you go and do some sort certification also, because certification, you have to understand, it's only going to help you to get shortlisted for a interview call, and that is also applicable in your Europe, or it's in US. Okay, so they have some process where if somebody has not done the certification, that is the minimum criteria for the company. Okay, that before hiring a candidate, they have to see that that candidate is certified or not. That is their terms and condition. But in India, very honestly, I'm telling you, out of 100% or 100 companies, only few companies will be there for freshers. They are looking for certificate. Also, the reason behind that one, because they can shortlist the candidate immediately from the crowd. So one reason to do the certification, it's only that you will be isolated from the crowd. You are, right, that suppose you have done RHCSA certification, so your chances of getting a call is more. Because if I have to hire some 100 candidates, and if I have a resume of 10, almost 10k or 10,000, right? So out of that, if, what is the HR role over there, so they have to filter it out. immediately, so they can provide those resume to the panel, to the technical panel quickly, right? Resource hiring also is a tedious task. Okay, so in that case, guys, they are going to look after those candidates who are certified. So in that case, you will be get shortlisted. But it is not that you are going to get selected. So please take out these things from your mind. It's not that if you are certified, then they are going to select you. It's totally depend upon the day when you are going for the interview, the evaluator. And as a interview, as an interviewer, if I am taking your interview, so I have to see how much Bhavani knows, right? If I have to hire him in my team, I have to see according to my project he should be fit in my project or not, right? How I have to evaluate him? On the basis of the work what I am doing in my project, right? According to that, those questions only I'm going to ask. Should I look at Bhavani? Okay, Bhavani is AWS solution architect certified, Bhavani is RSCSA certified, Bhavani is Kubernetes certified, Bhavani is any other tools he is certified, Terraform certified. So should I hire you? Until unless, if you are not able to answer my questions, okay, so again I am telling you, yes, your chances of getting call is much higher. But again, that is not applicable for the freshers. So being a fresher, you don't need, guys, when I got selected, I doesn't have any certification. Very honestly, the knowledge what I am having with Linux, and the troubleshooting with Linux, with shell scripting, with all these skill sets, that comes with experience, not in 1 day or 2 day. So what you can do maximum as of now, so please make sure you should understand the job market first. What is the requirement of market? Where is most of the jobs? Where is most of the opportunity? This is why I told you 2 millions, almost 20 lakhs engineers pass out every year in India. And how many of them are from NIT or IITs? It's totally depend upon that you have to look after others. It's becoming a this is a this will become, so for others, those who are just teaching DevOps, so they are getting, but what you are getting. So I cannot do it like this. This is that I said a very full stop from day one only. I am not going to take only DevOps, I am not going to take only AWS, right? Until unless if you are having more than 5+ years of experience. Because I know we are hiring, guys, for a topmost client of US. For Accenture I have hired, and minimum what is the experience is required for a DevOps engineer we are looking. We understand this thing, guys. There is opportunities are there, but we are hitting at wrong place. We should know the guidance. It's all because of the wrong guidance people have been doing till that. Fine, Bhavani, I hope so, you get your answer. Mr. PK, sir, I have 3 years of experience in Linux admin. I have already answered your. Ram Shekhar, hi, sir, explain some projects where Linux admin works in 2 years of experience. For that, you have to join my live online classes. That's what, guys. Okay. So in my live online classes, once you join, you will come to know there is so much of thing I used to. It's troubleshooting, guys. You guys will amazed. I can show you now quickly. Okay, let me finish the question, then I'll show you. Okay, so sir, Abhishek, I enroll in 100 days of corporate. Will you able to clear interviews for? Will you able to clear interviews for a Linux administrator role? 5+ years of experience. Please share which project you will be teaching. So I did not get you, Muhammad Umair. Okay, first of all, I am not going to give any interview for you. Very clearly, I am telling you. Okay, please don't be that if you are somebody is going to do no. I'm not sure if it might be you are trying to write something else. So see, we are going to make sure that the training should be like that. You should be able to clear each and every interview which is related to where you are applying for 5+ years of experience. We are going to provide you the resume as for 5+ years, whatever it has been promised, okay, in the live online classes, what you are going to get, everything is going to fulfill for you. Okay, but in place of you, if you are thinking somebody else is going to give the interview, so you are talking with the wrong person. I am a very genuine and authentic person, guys. Okay, so I'm not sure, Mohammed, I can reach out if you have already enrolled, then I can reach out to you, because data will be already, I can see your data. Okay, so fine. Let's Christian. So, sir, currently I'm working as a Linux admin, but I do next to enhance my skills. I've already answered your question, Christian. We have sir, earn more money into IT company. Which skill set should comes? Okay, earn more money if you are looking for byproduct, basically. Okay, Vaibhav. So what you are telling, Vaibhav, it's like, okay, from milk we make paneer, we make ghee, we make cheese, we make others. Okay, so you are directly jumping into cheese or ghee or paneer or any other byproduct, right? So again, money is a byproduct of your knowledge. First understand this one. And to get money, you have to make sure that uh, you should first of all put your hard work for that one. It's not like that, if I'll tell you no, okay, you go and do this one, you are going to get 40 lakh of package. No, even you have seen people where for the same skill set, one person is getting almost 10 lakhs, another person is getting 20 lakhs, right? So it depends upon the knowledge, okay, and the troubleshooting skills and the expertise what you are having. Okay, it's not because of that you are telling, okay, we talk in term of byproduct, right? Correct. So very honest answer to you one, stop thinking about the byproduct, right? First, make sure that you should have very good knowledge on the skill set or the role which you are applying for. It doesn't matter, right? I have seen candidates, I have seen people. Okay, even just now I can give you the example of that one. For 3.3 years of experience, how much package you are going to expect as a DevOps engineer? You only tell me. For 3.3 years of experience, how much package you are going to expect? You tell me. Anyone can answer me this one. Tell me, guys, please. For 3.3 years of experience, how much package you expect? 10 lakhs? Maximum, you tell me. Tell me how much you are going to get. You said 10. And how you have done this one? With the 3x. That is how the calculation. So to answer to your question, Vaibhav, so that guy is not into DevOps. So that guy is only into system integration. So it's totally depend upon your interview, how much knowledge you have, right? And according to that, they are going to offer you. That is how things work. So byproduct of knowledge and your expertise is package, right? Correct, if I'm not wrong, right? So that is how. Okay, I hope you have understand. So yes, sir. Shivaji, SRE role is very good. Site reliability engineer, where site reliability engineer. Even previously videos also, you guys can go through my previous videos of my this live session only, where I have talked about the site reliability engineer also, guys. Okay, that role also doesn't require so much of knowledge into your DevOps tool. Okay, but they are paying very good. Site reliability engineer or system integration specialist is quite same, guys. System integration engineer, it's exactly same. Okay, because I have seen only the name has been changed, it's to site reliability engineer. But there also they need expertise into your Linux, into your shell scripting, into your database, into your infrastructure networking knowledge should be there, into your cloud. That's it. Okay, so Santosh, I hope. So Shivaji Krishna Sagar, what is the next path of SRE? SRE itself is a good. Okay, why you want to, that's what I have answered your question. Okay, Santosh Racha, hi sir, I am a Linux admin, nearly 4 years of experience, having 5 year 5 point LPA package. I am being underpaid. Yes, because it's because of, see, we don't know how to switch into a better role as a Linux admin or a Linux automation. I am keep on calling it as a Linux automation engineer, right? So we are only know, so you have to upgrade yourself and you are underpaid. True, because if you see your experience, you just do it 3x to this one. So if you multiply by 3, it's going to be minimum 12 LPA. That should the package you should be getting, Santosh. Okay, please join my batch. Okay, that definitely, that's what I can tell you. Okay, you'll see the difference. And to sir, I am preparing for CK, okay, Kubernetes administrator, but I can give exam because of financial constraint. What can be done, or is there any other certification? Guys, I don't know why you guys are doing certification externally. Now tell me, how many of you really know that company invest a heavy amount in training their resources? All MNCs, they invest a very heavy amount, especially there is a budget for that one, guys. And all of you are trying to do the external certificates. Please, those who are experienced, listen to me. Why you want to spend money from your own pocket when you have financial constraints? Please don't do it, guys. Company is already ready to pay for those vouchers and all. Please understand this one. Either people are not guiding you properly, or they don't want to tell you the truth. But in all company, any company, TCS, Accenture, Infosys, HCL, all these service based company or a product based company, Oracle, Adobe, you can take it any of the Walmart, any of the product based company, every company has a proper learning program, right? They allocate budget that my resources, if, because within a company also you can enhance your skill sets, right? You can add on, right? Then only you can mention that, okay, during this years, this financial year, you have done this learning, right? And company will do, they will pay for it, right, for those vouchers and all. Then why you want to spend money from your own pocket? Fine. So Abhishek Jha, I have joined Reliance Jio as a SRE with 11 LPA. Thanks for support. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you. I know. Okay, Abhishek is a, yes, already associated with my channel since very long. And guys, I request all of you, please inform everybody. Okay. So I am very clear what I am doing, and I said very clearly that a recorded videos will be different. Our live online classes will be absolutely different from the recorded videos. And so this is why I have given both the options. And I am not training 100 200 candidates. Okay, so if you are interested to join my live online batches, any of the batches in my website, okay, you can go through whichever you are going to see over here. You can start enrolling now. And if you have any doubt, please send me a mail, please. If you have doubt, I am 100% going to answer to your question. Okay, and also mention your phone number. If in case required, then I'll reach out to you to guide you properly, right? So here you can see, guys, thank you, Abhishek, for knowing me. Congratulations again. And if possible, Abhishek, just send me your image. Okay, I'll mention that, I think previously also you have been placed for a different company, also 2 3 companies you have been placed. Okay, and I can recognize you also in my portal if possible, if you are okay with that one. So Prasanna, hi, I am into React and .NET. Okay, fine. Even React, Node.js. Okay, these developers works under me, guys, already. Okay, so I want to enhance my skill to DevOps as well. I don't have extensive knowledge on Linux. What should I start with? Then you should know, because now, so if you know React, now they are looking, even if you do, if you know .NET and all, even in, if even I have seen the front end developers, the back end developers, but now they are looking for a full stack developer. And those full stack developers, they want them to work as a DevOps engineer. And if you want to work as a DevOps engineer, then you have to know all the skill sets which I'm talking from day one. It's not only some tools. You have to proficient with all those things. Prasanna. So you join, it's better for you, you join my 100 plus IT corporate bootcamp. And if again I'm not, so this is your decision only. I have given you all the options. And if you only wanted to do the DevOps course, okay, so soon that is going to publish in my website only, okay. So you can go with that one, but I am not going to teach that one. The reason behind that, I am dedicated myself for 100 plus IT corporate bootcamp, okay, where I am teaching everything. Hi sir, we bought the, okay, again, make some videos on real time patching. Sure, that same question has been someone else asked. I have career gap now, I'm learning DevOps as a as a fresher, can I get the job? Everyone saying fresher getting job. I told you, right? Now Sekhar, it's your choice. It's better that you should go with uh, Linux and shell scripting first. Straightforward answer to you. Your getting of chances of a job is more compared to a DevOps engineer. Okay. So guys, I have covered, yes, Muhammad Chauhan, Manmohan Chauhan, sorry. Which tool to learn for DevOps? Companies are using Jenkins, Azure, DevOps, GitHub, Actions, etc., etc. Okay. I have already answered this one, Manmohan Chauhan. Okay. Fine, guys. We are already ahead of the time, and if somebody has more questions, if they wanted to, I think I have covered most of the questions. Okay. Fine. So right. So yeah. So guys, again, I'll be out of station. For that reason, I'm telling you, might be, but I'll try to take the next live session, right? That is on 4th of every Sunday. I'm taking. I'll try my best to take that live session, but if it's not possible, then I don't think so. Then I'll try to schedule on Saturday. Okay. But if it's not possible, then I won't be able to take that live session and all. But if you have any doubt, any queries, you just send me a mail first, okay, and your number as well, so that I can answer accordingly, okay, to your questions. That is for sure. I am definitely going to answer your each and every query, okay. So thank you everyone. And at the same time, I request all of you, please support my channel. Your support first needed, guys. Okay. You in my channel also, there is enough content who has financial constraint and all. Okay. Those who are not able to do the online classes or the live classes because of financial constraint, they can go for my channel videos and my membership also. Okay, right? So both the options I have given for you, there is nothing hidden for you. I don't have, I'll tell you that free, and then from backend I'll upload my videos in some platform. No, I don't do it like that, okay. Whatever it is there in front of you only. I have told you also, I'm an incorporation, okay. I'm a LLP also, and everything I have shown you, okay. So first of all, my request to all of you, that I need your support. Please share with, please share my channel with everyone, right? That they should subscribe to the channel. They should come to know. I'm trying to give the most, the best, okay, the best path for you guys according to your experience. That is what, because for that I need to diagnose you, and that is what I'm trying to do, okay. So thank you for joining this live session, guys. We'll try to connect on next Sunday for the next live session. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Please do take care of your loved one. And my deeply condolences to the people of my country who has been killed in Pahalgam, okay, Kashmir. And with the God, I can pray that to Almighty, okay. That is a very disaster thing, okay, we have seen, okay. And I request my government to take a very strict action, so that it should not happen anymore in future, okay. And again, condolences, I condemn this thing, whoever has done, okay, they are not human, they are inhumans, okay. So just pray from, just pray from my bottom of my heart, so their soul will be in heaven. Okay, so thank you guys for all of you. Please do take care of yourself, your loved one. Till then, just take care of yourself and your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.